acetate pathway. Today we are going to study first acetate mevalonate pathway. Acetate mevalonate pathway, the pathway which is also known as mevalonic acid pathway, then isoprenoid pathway and HMG coenzyme A reductase pathway. Okay, so in exam it is asked by given name, mevalonic acid pathway, acetate mevalonate pathway, isoprenoid pathway or HMG coenzyme A reductase pathway. In that you write in detail about the acetate mevalonate pathway. Now in acetate mevalonate pathway, active building block means the main product or the main intermediate which is formed, which is a main part for that acetate mevalonate pathway, which is a isoprene unit. The isoprene unit, basic unit, it contains 5 carbon. Okay, or it is also known as isoprenoid. So active building block for isoprene units are isopentenyl pyrophosphate, which is also known as IPP, pyrophosphate, isopentenyl pyrophosphate, and second building blocker is dimethyl allyl pyrophosphate, DMAPP. Okay, these both are main building blocker, main intermediate and main for acetate mevalonate pathway. Now it is also a precursor for synthesis of isoprenoid units. Means they are the main precursor, main starting material for synthesis of many terpenoids and steroids. Now this acetate mevalonate pathway is present in eukaryotic cells, also present in bacteria, in plant and in animals. Now biosynthesis of the 33.3% of secondary metabolites by this pathway means we get 33.3% secondary metabolites synthesized or produced by acetate mevalonate pathway. Which secondary metabolites? For example, steroidal hormones. We all know hormones are important metabolites for many activities. So various steroidal hormones, then alkaloids, then terpenoids, glycosides, anthraquinone, these all secondary metabolites are formed with the help of acetate mevalonate pathway. Okay, so this is a one role. By acetate mevalonate pathway, we produce many secondary metabolites, and these metabolites are terpenoids, steroids, steroidal hormones, anthraquinone, glycosides, alkaloids, etc. Now, the reactant. Acetate mevalonate pathway, as I told you, the reactant is acetyl coenzyme A, and from this acetyl coenzyme A, the pathway name is acetate, and the enzyme which is made in acetate mevalonate pathway is HMG coenzyme A reductase, HMG coenzyme A reductase, and because of that this pathway is also known as HMG coenzyme A reductase pathway. Okay, so you understand why this pathway is also known as HMG coenzyme A reductase pathway, because the main enzyme which is HMG coenzyme A reductase, and because of that acetate mevalonate pathway is also known as HMG coenzyme A reductase pathway. Now what is a structure or what is a isoprene unit? So isoprene unit, this is a structure of isoprene unit in which carbon 5 carbon C5H8, it is a molecular formula of isoprene unit in which there is a 5 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, in which the first and second, the first carbon which is attached with double bond with CH2 and one methyl group CH3, and second carbon, one is hydrogen and second is same as first, double bond CH2. So both first and second carbon have a attached by double bond with CH2 and other is difference. One is attached by methyl CH3 and other is attached by H. And this is other structure of isoprene unit in which we are not denoted it by the carbon. Clear? This is a basic isoprene unit. Now in acetate malonate pathway, as we see the structure of isoprene unit. Now isoprene unit is also known as terpene. And this terpene and isoprene unit, now number of isoprene unit present in a compound or the compound which contain isoprene unit, they are also known as terpenoids. And they are also known as volatile oils. Because most of the volatile oil containing or volatile oil contain isoprene unit. Now depending upon the number of isoprene unit in particular constituent, they are classified. So here this is a classification of terpenoids or terpenes depending upon the number of isoprene unit present in them. First class is monoterpene, which have a C10. One isoprene unit have a C5. So here C10 means monoterpene contain two isoprene unit. The example or the constituent which are come in a class of monoterpene or they have a two isoprene units in their structure, they are menthol, geraniol, limonene. We know menthol, which is a main constituent of pudina. Okay, now second class is sesquiterpene. Sesquiterpene C15 means they contain three isoprene unit. The constituents are farnesyl, tolmeron. Third is a diterpene. They have a C20 means they contain four isoprene unit. Example is Taxol. Fourth is a triterpene which have a C13 means they contain six isoprene unit. C13, C5. So 5 into 6, 30 means they contain 6 isoprene unit. Example is squalene. Now tetraterpene which have a 8 isoprene unit because of C40 and the constituent is carotenoids or beta carotene. Carotenoids are the constituent which is present, which is responsible for the color of that particular part. Okay, red, orange, yellow, this color because of the particular part of the plant because of presence of carotenoids, beta carotene. The example is carrot, the yellow color or the orange color of the carrot is because of carotene. Okay, the red color of capsicum because of carotene. So this carotene or beta carotene or carotenoids are responsible for color of particular part of the plant. Now 6 is a polyterpene which contain n number of isoprene unit. Example, best example is rubber which is a terpene. Okay, and they contain n number of isoprene unit. Now we see the overview of acetate malonate pathway in which we already studied and I told you that isoprene, the acetate malonate pathway in which the reactant for synthesis of isoprene unit which is a acetyl coenzyme A, and this acetyl coenzyme A is a starting material, precursor or reactant for acetate pathway. So here starting material is acetyl coenzyme A. This acetyl coenzyme A is combined or combined with other acetyl coenzyme A, means two acetyl coenzyme A is joined or combined and form acetoacetyl coenzyme A. This acetoacetyl coenzyme A, which is by the HMG coenzyme A synthetase enzyme, in presence of HMG coenzyme A synthetase, they produce HMG coenzyme A. And this HMG coenzyme A is converted into the mevalonic acid in presence of HMG coenzyme A reductase. So here the HMG coenzyme A is important intermediate for synthesis or in pathway of acetate malonate pathway. Why? Because from the HMG coenzyme A we get more important intermediate which is a mevalonic acid, and this mevalonic acid which is an important intermediate of acetate malonate pathway. So acetate malonate pathway is also known as mevalonic acid pathway. Now, mevalonic acid is formed because of the enzyme HMG coenzyme A reductase. So this pathway is also known as HMG coenzyme A reductase pathway. Now this mevalonic acid, why it is important intermediate? From that we get isoprene unit. The compound which is formed is IPP, which is a building block of acetate mevalonate pathway. As I told you, in acetate mevalonate pathway there are two building blockers, IPP and DMAPP. What is IPP? What is IPP? Isopentenyl pyrophosphate. IPP, which have a C5, means one isoprene unit, and this by the isomerase enzyme IPP is converted into the DMAPP, which is a dimethyl allyl pyrophosphate. Both are isomer of each other and both contain one isoprene unit. And here the structure of these both building blockers are same. Difference is the rearrangement of double bond. Double bond is changed, okay, because of rearrangement. But by the isomerase enzyme, the IPP and DMAPP are interconverted to one another. IPP convert into the DMAPP and DMAPP converted easily into the IPP by this isomerase enzyme. Now both are building blocker. From that more isoprene units or more terpenes are formed. Now this IPP is combined with DMAPP and gives geranyl pyrophosphate. C5 plus C5 both are combined and gives C10 unit, which is a geranyl pyrophosphate. This geranyl pyrophosphate are used for synthesis of many monoterpene compound like menthol, geranyl, limonene. So geranyl pyrophosphate, by which we synthesize many monoterpene type of secondary metabolite. Now geranyl pyrophosphate C10 unit, addition of one more isoprene unit IPP, they give farnesyl pyrophosphate. So C10 plus C5 C15 units, and this farnesyl pyrophosphate are used for synthesis of sesquiterpene type of secondary metabolite. Example, farnesyl and termerol. This farnesyl pyrophosphate, by addition of one more farnesyl pyrophosphate, so C15 plus C15, two farnesyl pyrophosphate are combined and give C13. This is 13 is a triterpene type of compound. Example is squalene. So by the farnesyl pyrophosphate, per addition of one more farnesyl pyrophosphate, they give squalene, and this squalene, from that it is used for synthesis of many steroids like diosgenin, sigma steroids, many steroidal hormones and triterpenes. Now farnesyl pyrophosphate, by addition of one more isoprene unit C15 plus C5, they give geranyl pyrophosphate, which have a C20 isoprene unit. This geranyl pyrophosphate, because of C20, they are used for synthesis of diterpene C20, which example is taxol. Now geranyl pyrophosphate is also used for synthesis of phytol and gibberellin, which is a growth hormone in a plant, which help for maintenance of or maintain the growth or increase the growth of plants root and stems. Now geranyl pyrophosphate, by addition of one more geranyl pyrophosphate, means two geranyl pyrophosphate combined and they give tetraterpene, which have a C14, and they are used for synthesis of many carotenoids or beta carotenes, which are responsible for color of plant materials, plants. Okay. Now geranyl pyrophosphate, by addition of n number of isoprene units, they are used for synthesis of many polyterpene type of secondary metabolites. Example, best example is rubber. So this is the overview by which acetate mevalonate pathway. Okay, this acetate mevalonate pathway, first its name acetate mevalonate pathway. As I told you, acetate because of the reactant starting material acetyl coenzyme. Also mevalonic acid, which is formed as an intermediate, which is an important intermediate from which we get isoprene units. So mevalonic acid is a main important intermediate. Because of that, it is also known as mevalonic acid. pathway. Then mevalonic acid is formed by the enzyme HMG coenzyme A reductase. So this pathway is also known as HMG coenzyme A reductase pathway. And from the mevalonic acid, the main building blocker, which is a isoprene unit. So this pathway is also known as isoprene pathway or isoprenoid pathway. Okay, so these four name of this pathway, you all are clear why this four name is given to this pathway. And by this pathway, by this overview, we also know this pathway, acetate mevalonate pathway, why it is basic in a plant and why this is helpful for production of many steroids, terpenoids, alkaloids, many secondary metabolites, and we get 33.3% of secondary metabolites in a plant by use of acetate mevalonate pathway.